Hey guys, Joe here. It's raining. Today is May 21st here in Wisconsin, and it's been raining for 2 days straight with no end in sight. It is approximately 40 degrees. I had to go into my closet at home and dig out the winter jacket. Back at home, I had to turn the furnaces back on in both the house and my workshop. Memorial weekend is almost here, about 3 days away. I don't see any warm-ups in sight. About a handful of days ago, it was 85 degrees. In fact, I was rushing around last week trying to get some air conditionings installed because it was so warm out. Hello, Wisconsin.